Dear student, we are in our preparation of aldehyde and ketones, in particular ketones, how to form ketones, ketone કઈ રીતે બનાવવા. Now from hydrocarbons, aromatic aldehyde means benzaldehyde and its derivatives are prepared from aromatic hydrocarbon by the following method. એટલે બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ છે નીચેની મેથડથી બનશે by oxidation of methyl benzene. Methyl benzene means toluene. Toluene માંથી બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ બનશે by oxidation. એટલે હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થશે અને ઓક્સિજન એડ થશે. Strong oxidizing agents oxidize toluene, methyl benzene એટલે toluene, and its derivatives to benzoic acid. So strong oxidizing agent હોય તો એ direct benzoic acid આપશે. However, it is possible to stop the oxidation at the aldehyde stage. એટલે intermediate aldehyde બનતું હોય બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ તેને કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ બનતું અટકાવી શકાય. With suitable reagent that convert the methyl group to an intermediate that is difficult to oxidize further. અને પછી જે બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ બને તેનું ઓક્સિડેશન થતું અટકાવી દે તો બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ બનાવી શકાય. The following method are used for this purpose. એના માટે નીચેની મેથડ ખૂબ જ યુઝફુલ છે. Use of chromyl chloride means CrO2Cl2 is a chromyl chloride. Oxidize methyl group to a chromium complex. Chromium વાળું complex આપે, which on hydrolysis gives corresponding benzaldehyde. અને પછી એનું હાઇડ્રોલિસિસ થાય વોટર સાથે રિએક્શન તો એમાંથી બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ બનશે. મિથાઇલ બેન્ઝેન means toluene. Here CrO2Cl2 is the oxidizing agent and solvent carbon disulfide. Toluene and CrO2 both dissolves into carbon disulfide. Here what happens actually? CrO2Cl2, two hydrogen will be replaced. In toluene there is a CH3. Out of 3 hydrogen, 2 will be removed and CrO2 Cl2 gives here one pi bond breaks in CrO2Cl2. So one hydrogen replaced and combines there. Another O yes and O with H. H here અહીંથી જે H આવશે અહીં આવશે, અહીંથી H આવશે અહીં આવશે. એટલે Cr then CH benzene ring then CHO O Cr OH O Cr OH and Cl2 two times O Cr OH and Cl2 twice. Chromium complex it gives. Now on hydrolysis reaction with water it gives benzaldehyde, and these two part will be removed and one oxygen combines there. So it gives benzaldehyde and now nitrogen from the water combines here and once again it gives CrO2 Cl2 પાછું જે આ બે પાર્ટ છે રિમૂવ થઈ જાય અને CrO2 Cl2 માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જશે. This is called the Itard reaction. અને ઇટાર્ડ રિએક્શન કહેવાય. એટલે મિથાઇલ બેન્ઝીન માંથી બેન્ઝાલિયાઇડ આપે છે, that is called the Itard reaction. Now second, which is also from toluene, use of chromic oxide. CrO3 is a chromic oxide. Toluene or substituted toluene is converted to benzaldehyde diacetate on treating with CrO3 chromium oxide in acidic anhydride at 273 to 298 to 83 Kelvin temperature. એટલે 0 to 10 degree Celsius હોય ત્યારે acidic anhydride અને toluene CrO3 સાથે react થાય તો benzaldehyde diacetate can be hydrolyzed. This is benzaldehyde diacetate. How? You can see here. Once again, benzene ring contains CH3. Out of 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen removes. In the acidic anhydride, CH3COO plus and minus. This part combines here. O acetate group 2 times. So twice benzene ring CHO COCH3 twice, which is called benzylidene diacetate, and further hydrolysis here CH2 group will be removed and oxygen combines there. So CHO gives benzaldehyde and these two part removes as acidic acid by side chain chlorination and followed by hydrolysis. Side chain chlorination એટલે tolueneમાં બેન્ઝીનનું ક્લોરિનેશન નહીં પણ મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપનું ક્લોરિનેશન કરવામાં આવશે. Side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzyl chloride, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This is commercial method of manufacturing of benzaldehyde. Toluene, when we take toluene chlorination in presence of sunlight, 1 hydrogen with 1 chlorine removes as HCl, so it gives benzyl chloride. Once again chlorination with sunlight, removal of HCl, HNCl gives benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. This one benzyl chloride. Now hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin. 2 hydrogen with 2 chlorine removes as a 2HCl and 1 oxygen combines there. So it gives benzaldehyde. Side chain chlorination એટલે શું? બેન્ઝીન રિંગનું ક્લોરિનેશન નહીં થાય પણ બેન્ઝીન રિંગ સાથે કનેક્ટેડ જે મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ છે એમનું ક્લોરિનેશન થાય. 1 ટાઈમ હાઇડ્રોજન રિપ્લેસ થાય અને ક્લોરિન એડ થાય તો બેન્ઝાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ આપે. 2 times હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય અને ક્લોરિન આવે તો બેન્ઝો નહીં બેન્ઝાલ ક્લોરાઇડ આપે. And now hydrolysis of it, 2 chlorine removes with 2 hydrogen as a 2HCl and one oxygen combines there, it gives benzaldehyde. આ મેથડ છે કોમર્શિયલ રીતે બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ બનાવે છે. નાવ આ બધી મેથડ છે બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ મીન્સ કે આલ્ડિહાઇડ બનાવવાની મેથડ્સ છે. અનધર ઇઝ ગેટરમેન કોચ, વચ્ચે ડેશ છે. ગેટરમેન એન્ડ કોચ both has combinedly given this reaction when benzene or its derivatives બેન્ઝીન હોય બેન્ઝીનનો ડેરિવેટિવ્સ હોય એટલે ટોલ્યુએટ treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous without water, aluminium chloride or cuprous chloride. It gives benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. And benzene કાં બેન્ઝીનનો ડેરિવેટિવ્સ એટલે ટોલ્યુએટ એની કાર્બન મોનોક્સાઇડ અને HCl સાથે રિએક્શન થાય so અને વિધાઉટ વોટર એલ્યુમિનિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ કાં cuprous chloride as a catalyst હોય છે. Actually what happens in the benzene ring CO with HCl, so carbon monoxide and HCl, CHO group forms. અહીંથી એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય ત્યાં CHO એન્ટર થાય અને HCl રિમૂવ થશે. CO ગ્રુપ કાર્બોનિલ અહીંયા H આવશે. એ CHO ગ્રુપ અહીં કમ્બાઈન થયેલ અહીંથી ને H અહીંથી Cl will be removed and it gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. આ રિએક્શનને Gattermann-Koch reaction કહેવામાં આવે છે. Now particularly we are going to prepare preparation of ketones from acyl chloride. એસાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ માંથી કીટોન બનાવી શકાય. ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ઓફ એસાઇલ ક્લોરાઇડ વિથ ડાઇઆલ્કાઇલ કેડમિયમ એટલે કેડમિયમ સાથે બે આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ હોય which is called dialkyl cadmium. Prepared by reaction of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent gives ketone. તો આપણે સૌથી પહેલા reagent dialkyl cadmium બનાવવું હોય એની પ્રિપરેશન. Grignard reagent 2 mole of alkyl magnesium halide with cadmium chloride. So 1 cadmium with 2 alkyl gives dialkyl cadmium and 2 chlorine combines here. So 2 mole of MgXCl, 2 MgXNCl, and now acyl chloride RCOCl is called acyl chloride. React with dialkyl cadmium. So 2 chlorine will be replaced by 2 alkyl group. So it gives RCOOR ketone and gives 2 chlorine with cadmium as a CdCl2. એટલે સૌ પહેલા આપણે શું કર્યું? ગ્રિગ્નાર્ડ રિએજન્ટની કેડમિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ સાથે રિએક્શન કરતા ડાઇઆલ્કાઇલ કેડમિયમ આપે જેમાંથી મેગ્નેશિયમ હેલોજન ક્લોરાઇડ રિમૂવ થાય. હવે જે એસાઇલ હેલાઇડ 2 મોલ્સ લીધો, 2 mole of acyl halide RCOCl react with 1 mole of dialkyl cadmium. So in the acyl chloride, chlorine will be replaced by alkyl group and gives some ketone. આ મેથડથી only ketone જ બનશે. Yes, ketones we can form by cyanide also. Cyanide means nitrile. treating a nitrile with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis yield a ketone. CH3CH2C triple bond N is ethyl cyanide. Otherwise, propane nitrile react with phenyl magnesium bromide, which is Grignard reagent. Nitrile means cyanide react with Grignard reagent in the presence of ether. Here you can see one pi bond breaks. Here one pi bond breaks and one bond of nitrogen and one of carbon remaining. On nitrogen, MgBr combines and here phenyl group combines and hydrolysis of it in reaction with water. Two hydrogen combines here. So NH2 amino magnesium bromide removes. So remove થાય minus આવે. One oxygen combines there. Water માંથી one oxygen આવશે. So propiophenone, yes. Here benzene ring with CO and 2 and 3 propiophenone, otherwise one phenyl propanone, which is propiophenone. This is also ketone. Nitrile માંથી પણ ketone બનાવી શકાય છે. Now third one, from benzene or substituted benzenes. Benzene કે substituted benzenes માંથી પણ બનાવી શકાય છે. Benzene or substituted benzyl toluene is treated with acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. As a catalyst, anhydrous means water વગર AlCl3. It affords the corresponding ketones. This reaction is called the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Yes, Friedel-Crafts acylation. का benzene माथी ने का toluene माथी. Here we are taking benzene. Acyl halide, acid chloride, RCOCl, anhydrous AlCl3. Actually, આમાંથી RCOCl part combines with benzene ring. So you can see CO on the side carbon group આવી જાય. Phenyl alkyl ketone, otherwise aryl હોય ARCl. અહીંયા aryl group benzene ring આવશે. So benzophenone આપશે અને Friedel-Crafts acylation કહેવાય છે. Yes, here Ar અહીંથી chlorine, અહીંથી H. The removal of HCl gives a ketone. If we are taking benzene, yes, example, we are taking benzene, toluene. So methyl group is ortho-para-directing, okay. Then methyl remains as it is. Ortho માં શું થાય? Due to steric hindrance, આ બે વચ્ચે repulsion થાય. Ortho place માં નહીં પણ para place માં RCO group enter થાય તો પણ એમાંથી ketone બનશે. Yes. અહીંયા alkyl group હોય તો alkyl આવશે, aryl હોય તો aryl આવશે. અને Friedel-Crafts reaction કહેવાય છે. Now question 12.1. Give name of the reagent to bring about the following transformation. hexane 1-ol to hexanal. CH3, CH2. This is hexane 1-ol. Gives hexanal. Which reagent is used here? We know this is primary alcohol. We have to convert into aldehyde. So weak oxidizing agent will be used. So PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, CrO2, PCC. Pyridinium chromium chlorate will be used. Cyclohexanol to cyclohexanone. This is cyclohexanone to cyclohexanol. Yes. To cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanol માંથી cyclohexanone બનાવો. This one cyclohexanol alcohol. Now ketone cyclohexanone CO group. Here anhydrous CrO3. Yes, oxidizing agent anhydrous CrO3 will be used. Now parafluoro toluene to parafluorobenzaldehyde. Here is parafluorotoluene. આપણે કીધું ટોલ્યુએન નું ડેરિવેટિવ્સ છે, એમાંથી પેરાફ્લોરો બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ બનાવવું છે. So CrO3 in presence of, we discussed CrO3 in presence of acetic anhydride. Yes, અહીંથી 2 હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય અને 1 ઓક્સિજન એડ થઈ જાય. આને ઇફેક્ટ નહીં કરે. એટલે ટોલ્યુએનનું ડેરિવેટિવ્સ છે બેન્ઝીનનું, એમાંથી પણ આલ્ડિહાઇડ બનશે, પેરાફ્લોરો બેન્ઝાલ્ડિહાઇડ. પણ અહીં 2 હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય અને ત્યાં આપણે આ મેથડ જોઈ ગયા. Yes, this one. Okay. Now, in the first step ma CrO2 Cl2 and second ma water use thase. Fourth one ethane nitrile to ethanol. Ethane nitrile means cyanide to ethanol. એટલે નાઇટ્રાઇલ સાયનાઇડ માંથી પણ બની શકે છે. Yes, so we can ethane nitrile to ethanol we can form using dibul, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Yes, here pi bond breaks, we know. Dibul H. Here what happens there? Ca3CN ethane nitrile. Yes, dibul H, nitrogen with here HH, nitrogen with diisobutyl. This part diisobutyl aluminium hydride. It gives complex first. Then after removal of nitrogen, there will be oxygen enters and gives CHO. Yes. Now allyl alcohol to propanol. Allyl alcohol to propanol. This is allyl alcohol. So we have to use PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate gives propanol. Buto into ethanol. Butene. First of ozonolysis. So here bond will be breaks, one oxygen here, two here. And further hydrolysis, so CH3CHO two times occurs, and one oxygen is H2O2. So ozone here water with zinc dust in first stage ozonolysis. Second stage water with zinc dust hydrolysis. It gives a product. Now question number 12.2. Write the structure of the following reaction. In first reaction, benzene with ethanol chloride and hydrous AlCl3 and carbon disulfide. Antihydrogen, antichlorine removes as HCl. So benzene ring combines with CO, C2H5, means ethyl phenyl ketone. Otherwise, one phenyl propane, one phenyl, three carbons CH2 CH3, propane one phenyl propane one is our product. In second case, dibenzyl cadmium with 2 mole of acetyl chloride. Yes, here actually C6H5, this is benzyl, dibenzyl cadmium with 2 mole of acetyl chloride. Actually, cadmium combines with 2 chlorine, so removal of CdCl2, and CH3CO combines with benzyl group. CH3CO, and here side CH2C6H5 2 more. Now third one, this is ethane, acetylene Hg plus 2 with sulfuric acid. In this case, we discussed in standard 11 about it. Here propine is given, standard 11, Hg plus 2 and sulfuric acid. Here one molecule of water will be added from aqueous solution. So water ma H plus and OH હોય. The more negative part combines with less hydrogen having carbon. Markovnikov rule, અહીંયા OH આવશે, અહીંયા H. So CH3COH double bond CH2. Here isomerization occurs, tautomerism. Pi bond અહીંયા આવે, H અહીંયા આવશે. So CH3CO double bond CH2, which is propanone. acetone occurs. Last CrO2 Cl2 we discuss. અહીંથી 2 હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય as an intermediate term to OCr OHCl2 OCr OHCl2 occurs. Then after hydrolysis these two removes and one oxygen combines there. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde product occurs here. NO2 group remains as it is. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.